viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video you will watch beautiful crochet blouse designs, shirts, patterns. These designs are becoming one of the most loved fashion trends for women who appreciate handmade beauty and intricate styles. Whether you prefer a casual everyday look or something elegant for special occasions, crochet blouses offers endless possibilities. These intricate stitches, delicate patterns, and unique textures make every design feel special and artistic. Starting with classic crochet blouses, these designs feature simple stitch patterns and comfortable fits that can be worn throughout the year. They pair beautifully with jeans, skirts, shorts, and trousers, creating effortless outfits for different occasions. The beauty of a crochet blouses lies in the ability to look both relaxed and sophisticated at that time. Floral crochet blouses, tops, and shirts are especially popular among women who love feminine fashion. These designs beautifully highlight the neckline and shoulders while maintaining the softness and textures of crochet work. With the style for beach vacations, casual outings, or summers, event off shoulders, crochet tops create a fashionable and grateful look. If you are near her, please subscribe our channel, like, share, and to comments. You can share it with your friends and crochet lovers. Please watch whole video till the end. Fashion crop crochet blouses offer trendy alternative. These shorter designs are available in various patterns. For simple geometric stitches to indicate lace motifs, cropped crochet tops can be styled with high-waisted jeans, skirts, or palazzos pants, creating balanced and fashionable outfits. Long sleeve crochet blouse combine comfort and sophistication. These designs are perfect for cooler weathers while still showcasing the beauty of handmade crochet artistry. Detailed sleeves patterns for sleeveless, puff sleeves, and fitted cuffs are extra visual interest and elegance. Vintage-inspired crochet blouses have also made a strong comeback. These designs often feature intricate lace patterns, high neckline, decorative collars, and classic silhouettes inspired by earlier fashion eras. Vintage crochet blouse brings timeless elegance that never goes out of style. Openwork crochet blouses are another favorite among fashion enthusiasts. These delicate species created by crochet stitches produce airy, breathable garments. Ideas for warm weather openwork designs can range from subtle and defined to bold and dramatic depending on the pattern and styling. Statement sleeves crochet blouses are perfect for those who want their outfits to stand out. Dramatic bell sleeves, balloon sleeve, fire cuffs, and layered sleeve designs add volume and personality to the garment. These details transform a simple crochet top into a fashionable centerpiece. Crochet blouses with square neckline have become increasingly popular due to their flattering shape. Square neck designs provide a modern yet elegant appearance that suits various body types. They create a balanced silhouettes and very beautiful with both casual and dressy outfits. V-neck crochet blouses offer a timeless and versatile option. The neckline elongates the appearance of the neck and creates a sophisticated look suitable for numerous occasions. Whether styled casually or formally, V-neck crochet tops remain a wardrobe favorite. Butterfront crochet blouses blend vintage charm with contemporary fashion. Decorative buttons, texture stitch patterns, and tailor silhouettes create unique garments that are both practical and stylish. These designs can be worn open as lightweight layering pieces or closed as stand-alone tops. Color choices play an important role in crucible designs. Neutral shades such as white, cream, beige, and soft gray create timeless elegance, while vibrant colors like coral, turquoise, mustard, and emerald green bring energy and personality to the design. The tones remain especially popular for their soft and feminine appeal. Many modern crochet blouses combine multiple stitch techniques to create visually striking patterns. Texture stitch, mesh sections, floor motifs. Each piece reflects the creativity and craftsmanship of crochet fashion. Whether you prefer minimalistic elegance, bohemian charm, vintage sophistication, or modern trends, crochet blouse designs offer endless inspiration. Their handcraft beauty, versatility, and unique character make them a cherished addition to any wardrobe. Every stitch tells a story of creativity, making crochet pieces not just clothing but wearable work of art. So if you are new here, please subscribe our channel, like, share, and to comments.